Hi everyone, and good morning again from my sofa or couch, depending on where in the world you are. I have my trusty helper Santtu here with me. I posted a clip yesterday regarding some troubles with inspiration I've been having recently. And you guys, you're the best. I had so many replies on YouTube and I really appreciate each and every one of you. All those replies have given me a lot of ideas, but there were two that sort of stuck to my mind. Hollyhocks, you suggested doing botanicals, and like somebody said in a live chat once that flowers are my jam, which I thought was weird because I'm really not a flower kind of person, but as far from girly as you get. But you know, maybe that's just something that subconsciously comes out, I don't know. And yeah, Bookheart, you suggested doing brushwork. Now, I really like that idea. I've been watching quite a lot of Rinske Dauner's brushwork pieces. And yeah, I've not really wanted to go down that route because I don't want to exactly start copying as such. But I love the concept and I love the idea of using a brush in a very controlled manner. So I have some tropical paints or tropical color palette mixed up. I'll show you that in a minute. And then I have a nice big brush to start working with. So yeah, thank you again so much everyone who made some suggestions for me. I really appreciate each and every one of you. But now, let's go have a look at the colours. Yeah, I think Bobo. Mwah. Big. So here's my colour palette on my extremely messy work table. Look at the state of that. Yeah, I'll definitely be tidying up before I get stuck down with this. Okay, so anyway, my foliage colours, that beauty there is a TLP Sea Glass. This one here, a slightly darker green. Oh, looks really blue in the video. But yeah, that's something that I very cleverly labelled custom light green, so I haven't got a clue what's in it. I'm sorry about that. My yellows, that one is an Amsterdam Azo yellow medium with Vallejo pearl medium added, and this one is just an Amsterdam Azo yellow light. Nothing else apart from my pouring medium added. I like these two yellows because they're both single pigments, so they shouldn't give me too much trouble. And then for my pinks, that one there is a TLP Fairy Floss. And this one, I just had to get the cap to cheat and have a look at what it is. It's a Liquitex Quinacridone Magenta mixed with Amsterdam Titanium White and a little bit of Winsor & Newton Silver. I love that. I think it's a rather yummy pink. Okay, and for my oranges, the lighter, more vivid one is a Winsor & Newton Gold Liquitex Cadmium Orange Hue mixed together. And this one here, again, Liquitex Cadmium Orange Hue with Deco Art Pearl mixed in. So, I am gonna get down to doing some brushwork with it. And here's the brush I'll be using. Yeah, it's really nice. The bristles are nice and soft. But they are short enough so that the whole brush is fairly stiff. And yeah, as you can see, I've not used it before because it's nice, pristine and clean. But it won't be so for much longer. So yeah, I am gonna get to painting. Well, I guess it's time to just go for it. Do you ever get the feeling of, I really haven't got a clue as to what I'm doing? Yeah, that would be me right about now. But I do have a little bit of a plan, I guess. So, yeah. I don't know. Just gotta go for it now, I guess. So, wish me luck, and I'll speak to you shortly. Okay, I am done. I love that. I can't believe how well it works out. I was convinced this was going to be an absolutely hideous mess. Oh, wow. Very, very cool. I may touch it up once it's completely dry. Add some details with a fine brush or something, but I don't know yet. But yeah, whatever I do, I will show you the dried result of this section shortly. Here's the painting the next morning, so it is fully dry because of obviously the very, very thin brushed on layers of paint. And I've just popped the flash on because I wanted you to see the beautiful shimmer. Oh my goodness. It is fairly subtle, but it's so gorgeous. Oh wow. The pearl, Vallejo Pearl Medium used in some of the paints and the TLPs are just, oh wow, amazing. I do really, really, really love this. I really, really do. But I'm going to do something else to it. But in the meanwhile, I have an absolutely burning urge to explore this a little bit further. So I will be going off to paint right now. So I will speak to you a little bit later. And now I'm done messing with it. I just couldn't resist. I took some silver paint, some pearl white and some of that magenta mixed with a little bit of pearl medium, Vallejo Pearl Medium. And I just wanted to add a little bit more interest in places, and I think it worked out so well. Quite a lot more dimension going on there for sure. And I love these colours and the effects, and yeah, I am in love with this. But you know the piece I said I had a burning urge to do to go and paint. I went and painted, and guess what I did? I did not turn my camera on. So there's no video, obviously. I feel clever. No, I just got way too excited and completely forgot to turn it on. Oh well, hey ho, these things happen. But I will show you what that looks like now. So here's the painting I forgot to video. Right, so the base is Boom Gel stains. First a couple of coats of Willy Wagtail Black, and then a coat of Dark Violet. The shimmer is just insane. And the rest of the paints, I have some Amsterdam Pearl paints and a TLP Pinwheel, which is this really, really cool duo color. This one here is like a violet and blue color shift. It is just so cool. The shimmer is insane in this one. And the way it looks dry is just, it blows my mind. It really does. But I do want to add just a little bit to it. So coming up, a short time lapse. I can barely believe it. We have actual daylight. Yay! Okay, so let's go have a closer look at the final results. No flash. So oh yeah, you can see the shimmer here. Oh, that is lovely. So this was the first one I did. Yeah, added some, as you saw, some brush strokes just to give it a bit more depth and definition once it was all dry. So yeah, there's the first attempt, and the second one, I do love this one as well. Think I went a little overboard with the edges. Could have done with a bit more of the purple or violet showing through, but that's cool. I do like these dots. I think they are so nice. But I'd love to hear what you think. Is this a style worth exploring further? Would you like to see some more? Do leave me a comment and a like, and if you haven't already, please subscribe. And thank you so much for being here with me today. I'll speak to you soon. Bye bye.